Hello students, good morning. I am NK Jha from APS. Before this classes, we have studied English literature, but today we shall discuss grammar part, chapter number 3, the cloud. The cloud. Very interesting chapter it is, and I mean to say it is essential for all of you, the topic cloud. So firstly we have to understand what is clause. As we know that a clause is a part of any sentence. A clause is a group of words that forms part of a sentence. It is told by me before. It and has a subject and predicate of its own. That is the definition of clause. A clause is a group of words that forms a part of sentence and has a subject and a predicate of its own. Clause definition. A clause is a group of words that forms part of a sentence that forms a part of a sentence and has a subject and a predicate and has a subject and a predicate of its own. Just like study these two sentences and according to these examples we shall try to understand the part of the sentence and how these are the clouds. Just like example number 1, our principal is a man of high principle. Our principal is a man of high principle. Okay, our principal is a man. Example number 2. Our principal is a man who had high principle. Who has high principle. Look the example number 1 and number 2. The number 1, our principal is a man of high principle. Describe the man of high principle. The expression of high principle in first sentence. This is a phrase. And in second example, the expression who has a high principle. Who has high principle. In the second sentence, has a subject who and a predicate. Has a high principle, it is called a clause. It is called a clause. Has a high principle, it is called a clause. Okay. Then I can tell you have understood the definition of clause. A clause is a group of words that forms part of a sentence and has a subject and a predicate of its own. And these are the examples. Our principal is a man of high principle, and our principal is a man who has high principle. So according to the first sentence and second sentence, according to first example and second example, we can tell of high principle is describing the noun man, because our principal is a man of high principle. So man is noun. Man is noun. They describe noun man of high principle. Man के बारे में डिस्क्राइब कर रहा है जो किस तरह का जो है सो एक्सप्रेशन है, तो ऑफ हाई प्रिंसिपल. ओके. इन दिस सेंटेंस इट इज अ फ्रेज ऑफ हाई प्रिंसिपल. इज अ फ्रेज. Understand? But the second example, who has high principle, who has high principle, our principal is a man who has high principle. Here who here who is given, who has high principle in the second sentence has a subject who and a predicate has high principle, and it is called a clause. This is subject and this is predicate, and it's a clause. Mainly according to your standard, according to the standard of class 7, we have to read two parts and two types of clause. Number 1, main or principal clause, and number 2, subordinate or dependent clause. Number 1, principal clause. Number 2, subordinate clause. Clause are of two kinds. Clause are of two kinds. Number 1, main clause. Types of clause. Number 1, main clause. Number 2, subordinate cloud. These two parts of cloud we have to study according to class 7. So subordinate clause or main clause. So firstly we have to know what is main clause. What is main clause? So according to definition we have to decide about the main clause, and after understanding and after study we can express our ideas and we can understand this is main clause. Okay, this is main clause. So main clause, what is main clause? Number one, main clause नंबर वन, मेन क्लॉज क्या होता है? ए क्लॉज दैट हैज अ सब्जेक्ट एंड अ प्रेडिकेट. अ क्लॉज दैट हैज अ सब्जेक्ट एंड predicate, subject and a predicate, and makes complete sense and makes complete sense is called main clause. Is called main clause. A simple sentence is a main clause or principal clause. A simple sentence is a main clause or principal clause. ओके, सिंपल सेंटेंस मेन क्लॉज हो सकता है. सिंपल सेंटेंस या तो मेन क्लॉज हो सकता है या तो प्रिंसिपल क्लॉज हो सकता है. एक ही नाम है दोनों, एक ही आदमी के, एक ही टॉपिक के दो नाम. या तो आप मेन क्लॉज बोलो या तो फिर प्रिंसिपल क्लॉज बोलो. So firstly the definition is very very important and have to memorize it. A clause that has a subject and a predicate and makes complete sense is called main clause. A main clause, a simple sentence is a main or principal clause. Simple sentence means just like example, Ram is a good boy. This is subject and its remaining part is predicate, and the simple sentence is referring complete sense. Ram is a good boy. This is complete sentence. This is complete sentence and gives accurate meaning, gives complete meaning, complete sense. So I can tell this is main clause. Okay, this is main clause or principal clause. So I want to give you advice, a piece of advice. Have to memorize the chapter clause because this is very very important topic, and from today we have started the chapter clause and we have studied the definition of clause, the types of clause, and in types of clause we described main or main clause. And I mean to say, according to definition of main clause, you can estimate and you can understand it is main clause. So finally this matter depends on you. This matter depends on you and how you will maintain and how you will remember. You have to think about it. If you are not doing that, that means a lot of problem will be raised in front of you, because you have studied a lot of topics from your book. I think nouns and numbers, phrase you have studied, and nouns and number you have studied, and the sentence also you have studied. So it's my advice, you have to learn it, you have to remember it. If any kind of doubt will be raised in front of you, then you can ask without any hesitation the topic, the clause. Okay, thanks.